Yo, what is going on YouTube? It's your boy Alexandrus, and today I'm back again with another video. In today's video, as you can see, we have MEXC, and today specifically I want to talk about the Dex Plus platform, which is the new addition to their exchange, which is also very great in terms of being user-friendly and in terms of having everything that you really need in crypto exchange. So I have a bunch of videos on MEXC, so if you haven't watched those, then I absolutely recommend you to go ahead and do so. Do your homework and watch the old videos. Before we start with this one, as always, I need to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research and you should always do your own due diligence, because I don't take any responsibility for your actions. And with that being said, we can dive right into it, guys. So MEXC and their slogan is basically your easiest way to crypto, and it actually checks out pretty well, because these guys have everything, as I said, that you need when it comes to your crypto exchange. You can easily buy and sell your crypto here for fiat. You can use peer-to-peer trading, so you can basically sell to other people and buy from other people, do bank transfer sales, buy with your bank account, buy with your card. Everything is really available here. Also, when it comes to their spot trading, they also have, except the normal spot, they have convert, which is something that I personally really like, where you can just instantly convert without the hassle of going through all the pairs and everything. It is fully transparent, shows you how much you will get, and basically it just executes your order at the best possible price right now. So that's what it does. But today, as I said, we focus on Dex Plus, and Dex Plus is literally your one-stop shop for trading memes, and not only memes. It's basically like a decentralized exchange on MEXC. So if you want to deposit your funds into Dex Plus, then basically after logging in, you will get your specific wallet. For example, this one is for Solana here, and that's where you can deposit your funds. You can either copy the address or just use the QR code. You have different chains, as you can see. You have Solana, BNB, Base, Tron, and there are also works on Ethereum, which is great to hear, because it is also a great chain to trade nonetheless. So as you can see, you can literally track everything here. You can use the quick buy, which is something that I really like personally, because if you have some experience with trading different meme coins, especially on Solana, then you might be aware that sometimes it's very hard to get into some projects because of the slippage and all of that. You can basically use the quick buy section, in which it will automatically adjust your slippage, right? It will automatically do the anti-MEV, and then you can input how much Solana you want to spend, at what fee, and what it lets you do is basically get in super early, possibly before the other people join and dump on you. I mean, it depends really on the coin, because you guys know that trading memes is kind of risky, to put it the easy way, but you know, it doesn't always check out to meme coins only, because oftentimes there are some projects that are basically really hyped. People are really hyped about the launch, and they are all massively jumping in when the project goes to Radium, for example, and it's really hard to get in. So, well, when it is hard to get in, you can use the quick buy feature. It's from 0.01, I believe, to Solana, and it's just quick buy, simple as that, and it will again use the best possible strategy to get you in with your specific amount. So when it comes to the Dex Plus itself, as you can see, it tracks everything. It shows you the liquidity, it shows you the volume, the market cap, and what I really like is it also shows you all the factors and security stuff related with each specific token. So obviously you can use different filters here. I have this put on new listing, and by the way, you can see how many meme coins there are pumped out every single second. And if you don't want to, for example, track the pump.fun, you can just check it out and it will give you some other tokens. So for example, you can go to trending, and it will show us that currently there is some different coins trending from, let's say, I don't know, we want 24 hours. We can filter everything here. So right now the top one is Jiro Sol. I honestly don't know this one, but it looks like it's trending. You can click on it, and then it shows you all the factors, all the audits, and you can check out that this one is, for example, mintable, which is quite risky, but maybe it is somehow regulated by the team of the project, so always like double check and verify. However, yeah, it has the security checks. I mean, yeah, this one looks actually pretty sus because they have top 10 positions that are greater than 42%. So like top 10 holders have 42% of the supply, which is kind of shady. Doesn't have locked liquidity and is mintable. So this one is kind of sus, but by the looks of it, it was somehow trending. So yeah, you have this one, for example, but then you can also go to like other, like I don't know, you can go to Filecoin, by the way, which is crazy that this thing just pumped like crazy, and obviously your boy missed it. You can check out the holder list and you can see what kind of positions people have in it, what is the value of each position. You can verify their addresses. You have your open orders, you have your order history, you have your holdings displayed, and if you want to buy this specific token, you can just input how much you want to spend. So let's say you want to spend 1000 USDT worth of Filecoin. I mean, you want to get 1000 USDT worth of Filecoin. For example, in this case, you need 6.4 Solana. It shows you what will be your gas fee, and it is calculated based on what kind of gas fee you want. I have the setting on auto, and again, it chooses the best possible gas, so you get in just instantly pretty much. But I can obviously adjust this so it's slower, but you save on fees, which, I mean, when you trade meme coins, it's kind of pointless because every second matters, and at the end of the day you just pay like $2 in gas fee instead of $1, which, I mean, really doesn't matter when it comes to trading. So honestly, this is a really cool feature that they have here. So yeah, that's basically Dex Plus. That's how it looks, that's how it works. You can have your favorites, you can have your holdings. Very easy to use, guys. As I said, very user friendly and very cool. You can also set up auto sale, which is cool, because you can have different take profits, as you can see, and different stop losses, and it will just sell your stuff. You can do all the settings or use the presets, which is also cool. I haven't seen this well, obviously this is like something unique, so that's why I haven't seen it before when it comes to DEXs. So yeah, they also have different rewards and airdrops. Currently they have this Dex Plus rewards section where you can actually make quite some money with doing different tasks and inviting your friends. You have a whole event description here, and you can see that it's a really cool event. That is, you basically earn points, right? You trade your Solana, you trade 10 Solana between October and between June, and you get points. There is also 1.5x multiplier on points when you trade the Pump Fun coins. And you can also invite your friends to boost your point, and that's basically how it works. So it's cool. You can always, you know, get something for free, so why not? You know, you can always try earn the points and invite your friends to get more of those points. Last but not least, guys, I wanted to invite you to their social medias, especially to their Twitter. That's where they post the most informations regarding MEXC. So if you want to be updated, then it is definitely the way to do it. I will plug all the links down below in the description of this video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it, and if you did, then remember to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to comment your personal opinion about Dex Plus. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in the next videos coming out soon.